It's Akira here. Ever wondered whether you should get into tarot or not? Well, I'm here to tell you the pros and cons of being into tarot. So, first off, here are some pros. You get to know more about your future depending on if you find the right person who does tarot correctly and isn't one of those fake ones. More about your future, your love life, career, um, how to help how to help you in certain situations and whatnot. Then there are the cons, where most people really don't want to know most about the future and stuff like that. So you start to worry, and you may mess up your future because you know what's going to happen, so you try to change it maybe, or something like that. And it's all very complicated in that sense. So there's a lot of pros, there's a lot of cons. And they're both equally matched there. I recommend only doing tarot though, if you actually want to know stuff about your future and whatnot. And I would try to figure out how to do it yourself and not have someone else do it for you. Because a lot of people can be posed to be fake tarot readers. So, I recommend doing it yourself. But the pros really are really just tells you stuff about your future and love life and whatnot, and the cons that you'll worry a lot and whatnot. Anyways, that's it. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.